Welcome friends, I am Dr. S. Megla, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur. Now I am going to talk about blue-green algae. Blue-green algae, also called cyanobacteria, any of a large heterogeneous group of prokaryotic, principally photosynthetic organism. Algae have since been reclassified as protein. Blue-green algal inoculum. Blue-green algae, Tamil name is Neelapachai Pasigal. The blue-green algae are also able to fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. They fix 20 to 30 kg of nitrogen in the hectare per annum. Blue-green algae such as Anabina, Toliphothryx, Oscillatoria, etc. actively fix nitrogen in the soil. In addition to the nitrogen fixation, the blue-green algae also release vitamin B12, axins, etc., which induce the growth of higher plants. Thus, they form an effective biofertilizer in agriculture. Considerable research in blue-green algae is going on in Tamil Nadu Agricultural College, Coimbatore, and Central Salt and Marine Research Station at Mandapam. Preparation of blue-green algal inoculum. PGA culture in open vessel exposed to air. The different stages of blue-green algal inoculum preparation are given below. Zinc or iron tray with the size of 2 into 1 into 3 meter is used for the culture of blue-green algae. The tray is filled with 10 to 12 kg of sieved nice soil, 750 gram of superphosphate and 5 gram of sodium molybdate. Water is added to the mixture to keep the medium wet. Second, the pH of soil solution is tested and adjusted to the neutral pH. If the mixture shows acidic pH, the acid pH of medium can be neutralized by using dilute acids. Third, a starter culture of PGA is then sprinkled over the soil mixture and the tray is kept in the open sunlight for about 10 to 29 days for establishing proper growth. Fourth one, the regular watering is essential during the culture of PGA. The water bring about the better growth of PGA in the culture tray. Fifth one, sometimes mosquitoes breed over the soil mixture. The breeding of mosquitoes can be prevented by treating the mixture with 1 ml of parathion or 25 gram of carbofuran per tray. This chemical prevents the invention of egg-laying mosquitoes in the culture tray. Sixth one, owing to the rapid growth, the blue-green algae cover the entire surface of the soil mixture. The algal biomass is then separated from the soil and air dried. The dried biomass is powdered and stored in polythene pack for future use. Next, blue-green algae culture in open field. The field is plugged well and leveled properly for the culture of blue-green algae. 5 kg of blue-green algae inoculum is spread over the surface of the soil percent. The field is watered to a height of 2.5 cm from the soil in order to facilitate the growth of the algae. 2 kg of sugar phosphate is sprayed over the surface of the soil. It induces the rapid growth of blue-green algae. The clay soil requires 2 weeks for establishing the proper growth of blue-green algae, while the sandy soil requires 3 to 4 weeks for establishing the proper multiplications of blue-green algae. Fourth one, snails or mosquitoes, etc. are checked by applying the parathion or carbofuran over the field. They prevent the invention of this organism in the culture. When the sufficient growth of blue-green algae is achieved, the field is plugged well for the proper mixing of blue-green algae with the soil. Then the field is used as usual for agriculture. Methods of blue-green algal applications. The powder blue-green algae mixture is simply spread over the agricultural field. The application of blue-green algal after 1 week of transplantations of seedling of paddy gives more beneficial results because PGA can be able to receive more sunlight. Such a paddy plant grow well in the field by consuming the nitrogen fixed by the PGA. The application of PGA in the field increase the yield of crop. Thank you.